Streak-free shine. You won't believe you've lived without this squeegee. It works to effectively leave a streak-free shine on so many surfaces including showers, windows, mirrors, car windows, tiles, countertops, and more. Squeegee can be used both indoors and outdoors. Precise silicone blade. Strong, precision-edge silicone blade works quickly and easily to remove water, soap scum, foam and limescale without scratching glass, counters or other surfaces. Durable stainless steel. Constructed from a 100% stainless steel frame that is rust-resistant and incredibly durable for long-lasting use. Plus, ergonomically designed handle helps provide a comfy, yet strong, grip while you clean. The curved handle makes for an easier, more comfortable grasp. Convenient size. The squeegee comes in 3 convenient sizes, a 10-inch blade, a 12-inch blade, and a 14-inch blade, meaning you can find the best fit for your home. All sizes feature an ample 5.5-inch handle. Easy hang. Strong adhesive holder can be applied directly to clean surfaces for easy squeegee hanging. Effortlessly adhere the holder anywhere from your shower, to your kitchen, garage or more. Plus, an additional hole on the bottom of the squeegee also allows you to hang it without the adhesive holder. Top reviews from the United States. The best squeegee. We absolutely love this Gorilla Grip squeegee. We have gone through many squeegees in our household. We have 2 stand-up showers with glass doors and use squeegees daily. We have been through cheap, flimsy plastic ones that break easily and some with the rubber piece, blade, falling off making it useless to clean the glass. Until we found this one. The price is amazing for the quality. Heavy-duty plastic with a strong adhesive holder. The silicone blade gives our shower doors a streak-free shine and works so fast. Do not buy those cheap ones with that thin piece of rubber glued onto the squeegee. No going over the same area because it runs smoothly and cleans the water off well. The handle gets a little slippery if your hand is wet, but no big deal. Love, love, love.